Hello. It's been a damp start to the working week for many, and the outbreaks of rain will continue across a large part of southern Scotland, England and Wales through the evening. The rain persistent and heavy, especially for southeast Scotland and northeast England. Here, over some east-facing hills, we're going to see up to 60 or 70 millimetres of rain building up, and that combined with snowmelt could cause some issues. So localised flooding, rain warning in force. A marked contrast to central and northern Scotland, Northern Ireland as well, with clear spells here and temperatures falling away. Now for northern Scotland, a few showers will continue, rain and sleet at lower levels, snow above 300 metres, and as a result, a few icy patches to watch out for first thing, because it will be a cold start in some parts of northern Scotland, -5 Celsius, fairly widely, -1 to -3 Celsius. Likewise, a touch of frost there for western parts of Northern Ireland, away from the rain further east. But across much of England and Wales, we've got the cloud and the outbreaks of rain first thing. Snow confined to 500 metres or so over the Pennines and the southern uplands. It's outbreaks of rain elsewhere. The rain is easing through the morning, but it continues for some time across northern England, into the Midlands, parts of Wales seeing the rain turn more showery, likewise for southwest England. And you can see the showers continuing to feed in there across eastern parts of England, whilst the rain tends to fragment elsewhere. A lot of cloud remaining for central, southern and eastern parts of England, East Wales as well. But for Scotland, for eventually parts of northern England, Northern Ireland, West Wales, southwest England, some sunny spells return and a much brighter day is expected compared with Monday. Still one or two showers here and there running through the Irish Sea, but otherwise plenty of fine weather in the north and the west. Temperatures a little lower once again as colder air starts to develop more widely in the wake of the area of low pressure clearing into the continent. So 5 to 9 Celsius in the south, 2 to 4 Celsius across Scotland and Northern Ireland. Then, as the last of the cloud and the outbreaks of rain clear east and the winds ease, we'll see widely a frost form on Tuesday night, with temperatures dropping quickly once the sun goes down and freezing fog patches developing, especially for parts of central and eastern Scotland, eastern parts of England as well. Some places like the Vale of York seeing some particularly dense fog developing. Won't be foggy everywhere. Under any clear skies, we'll see temperatures widely drop below freezing. Towns and cities, -1, -2 Celsius. In rural spots, even lower than that, as low as -12 Celsius for some snow-covered parts of northern Scotland. But we've got the cloud returning into Northern Ireland first thing Wednesday. That reaches West Wales and the southwest of England with outbreaks of rain by mid-morning, the wind picking up as well. Once any freezing fog thins, might not clear entirely, we're going to see bright skies for a time in the east before it eventually clouds over here, but staying largely dry across much of Scotland into eastern England, and it's only really the southwest of Scotland, western fringes of England and West Wales where we'll see the cloud thick enough to give some outbreaks of rain and hill snow on Wednesday afternoon. The wettest weather will be Northern Ireland with some heavy and persistent rain and a strengthening wind. A marked temperature contrast by this stage, 11 Celsius there in Cornwall, whilst 2-3 Celsius across eastern and northern parts of the UK. The wet weather in the west sweeps east slowly on Wednesday night into Thursday, initially giving some significant hill snow as it bumps into the cold air to the east. But by the end of the week, the milder, wetter and windier weather in the Atlantic will win out. And so the weather returning to unsettled, but we're also going to say goodbye to the cold weather for the time being. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss an update. Bye-bye.